What's going on, y'all? So it's like, I can't see the time on this. It is 8:30 in New York City on a Friday or Saturday. Sorry, I'm bugging the fuck out. So I just want to give you an update, man. I'm sorry I've been out of the loop. You know, it's not easy editing these videos, and I've been real busy in the last 6 months. I have a basketball league you see here that I run over the summer. But I've been fixing cars, man. I just want to tell y'all and show y'all real quick. All right, so you see this Nissan Rogue right here, this red one is mine, right? So we bought this on one on Craigslist, right? And then I got my Impala over there, right? I bought the new shell on Offerup. And then this is a Malibu. Two of them, I don't know if you see them. I'll update you guys more later, but we bought this Malibu on Letgo. So we got Letgo, Offerup, Craigslist, and then and the Maximum's right here. Look, Maximum Facebook. Boom. So all 4 platforms, I got a car from each one of them, just so y'all know. All right, beautiful cars. They all drive. I'm working on this one right now. I just put the whole engine and transmission in. I swapped it from this one to this one, and it's going great. I kind of cut myself today, so I stopped early and it's getting dark. I'll finish this shit tomorrow. This car is completely junk at this point. Beautiful headlights, but other than that, the whole entire car will be junk. I cut the wiring out to make it easy for the transfer. So that's gonna be one hell of a fix if anybody tries to fix it. Plus, it had a million issues when we stopped it. It had no AC, the blower stopped working, the back got hit, so they got dented, the front is cracked. It's a bunch of shit. ABS in the back. So when we switch the engine training is good. We switch to this one. This one should be clean. I'll have this running tomorrow. But yeah, so again, guys, real quick, you know, like we're in Brooklyn, New York, so I got to park it on the street. It's how it is. No garage. Well, I don't got no garage, and y'all already know how I am, a street mechanic. But we just bought a bunch of cars in 6 months. I want y'all to see it. So like I said, we got Letgo right here. We got the Maxima right there. It's from Facebook. We got the Impala right there, and that was from Offerup. And then we have this red Rogue right here. That is from Craigslist. So it's definitely possible to get all these cars from these places, because I do them. So give you a quick update on that. So in the last 6 months, I've been buying cars crazy. I even bought a Toyota Camry from a friend and sold that. So 08 Camry, that's a 09 Malibu, a 2010 Maxima, 07 Impala, and a 2010 Nissan Rogue. We're sitting on like 20 G's at least, 30 G's at least. So like 20 G's. We said 5,000 each car, let's say. The Maxima is worth way more than that. But and the Rogue, so the Rogue and the Maxima is worth 6,000 or 7,000, and then the Impala 3,000, Malibu 3,000. So, or vice versa, 2 or 3, whatever. But yeah, guys, you know, hit me with the comments. Let me know what's up, man. You already know how I do. I've been buying cars though, so you know, like I just saw them. They're right in front of your face. They all register to me. Not all of them register to me. I'm lying. Sorry. My friend Rich took the Maxima already. I got the Impala and the Road, and the Malibu was registered by another friend. So Brooklyn, New York, man. I mean, look, beautiful ass road right there, clean. I know it's dark, so y'all gonna say, "Oh, I can't really see it," but you know, see for yourself. They're right there. Like, you want to come to Brooklyn, come to Humboldt. You know, you'll find them. They're here. We driving them. Like I said, the Impala, the Max is in front of that one, back there, and then the 2 Malibus, boom, boom. So, you already know what I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you to buy your cars on these sites, man. I recommend it. You know what I mean? There is a couple of scammers and shit like that out there, but you gotta use your street smarts and you'll be good. So, you know, holla at y'all. So we in the light, you know, the Maxima. Malibus. See, that's the junk Malibu, but it's a clean one. And then you got the Rogue back there. Clean Rogue. Clean Malibu. I'm in the Impala and shit clean. And the Maxima in front of me. So.